मुझे कल फोन करना। Call me tomorrow. Call me tomorrow. मुझ पर विश्वास करो। Believe me. Believe me. क्या आपको कुछ चाहिए? Do you want something? Do you want something? इसे अभी करो। Do it right now. Do it right now. इसे हल्के में न लें। Don't take it lightly. Don't take it lightly. तुम्हारा घर कहाँ है? Where is your home? Where is your home? मुझे चैन से जीने दो। Let me live peacefully. Let me live peacefully. मैं भूखा महसूस कर रहा हूँ। I am feeling hungry. I am feeling hungry. क्या तुम मुझसे डरते हो? Do you scared of me? Do you scared of me? उसने मुझे यह बताया। He told me this. He told me this. वो हमेशा झूठ बोलता है। He always tells a lie. He always tells a lie. यह बहुत कठिन है। It is too tough. It is too tough. तुम थके हुए लग रहे हो। You look tired. You look tired. वो मेरा नाम नहीं जानता। He doesn't know my name. He doesn't know my name. तुम ज्यादा सोचते हो। You overthink. You overthink. यह कहना कठिन है। It's hard to say. It's hard to say. मेरे पास कोई विकल्प नहीं। I have no choice. I have no choice. यह मेरे लिए बेहतर है। This one is better for me. This one is better for me. क्या मैं आपका नाम जान सकता हूँ? May I know your name please? May I know your name please? आप क्या लेंगे? What will you have? What will you have? मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए। I don't want anything. I don't want anything. इतना गुस्सा क्यों कर रहे? Why are you getting so angry? Why are you getting so angry? आपके दिमाग में क्या है? What's on your mind? What's on your mind? यह सब तुम्हारी वजह से। It's all because of you. It's all because of you. मैं आपकी मदद कर सकता हूँ। May I help you? May I help you? मुझे कुछ पैसे दीजिए। Give me some money. Give me some money. समझो हो गया। Consider it done. Consider it done. आप मजाक कर रहे हैं। You must be kidding. You must be kidding. नहीं भाई, ऐसा नहीं है। No bro, it's not like that. No bro, it's not like that. मैं आपसे बात नहीं करूंगा। I will not talk to you. I will not talk to you. आप क्या खाना चाहते हो? What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? मैं वहीं आ रहा हूँ. I am coming right there. I am coming right there. ऐसा मत करो. Don't do such a thing. Don't do such a thing. वो अक्सर यहाँ आती है. She often comes here. She often comes here. मैं इंतजार नहीं कर सकता. I can't wait. I can't wait. मेरे पास समय नहीं है. I don't have time. I don't have time. मैं किसी को नहीं जानता. I don't know anybody. I don't know anybody. मुझे यह पसंद नहीं है. I don't like it. I don't like it. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता. I don't think so. I don't think so. मैं काफी बेहतर महसूस कर रहा हूँ. I feel much better. I feel much better. इन दिनों बहुत गर्मी हो रही है. It's getting very hot these days. It's getting very hot these days. तुम यह क्या कह रहे हो? What's this you're saying? What's this you're saying? आपने मेरे भाई को देखा होगा. You must have seen my brother. You must have seen my brother. तुम इतने स्वार्थी कैसे हो सकते हो? How can you be so selfish? How can you be so selfish? यह सब तुम्हारा काम है. It's all you're doing. It's all you're doing. तुम उससे बात मत करो. Don't you talk to him. Don't you talk to him. मेरे साथ खिलवाड़ मत करो. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. उसको छोड़ दो. Let him go. Let him go. अपना जीवन खराब मत करो. Don't spoil your life. Don't spoil your life. मैं आपका नौकर नहीं हूँ. I am not your servant. I am not your servant. मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है. I have no money. I have no money. इस कैरी बैग को फेंके नहीं. Don't throw away this carry bag. Don't throw away this carry bag. उसे छुट्टी नहीं मिली. Couldn't get leave. He couldn't get leave. क्या मैं आपसे 1 मिनट बात कर सकता हूँ? Can I talk to you for a minute? Can I talk to you for a minute? यह एक अफवाह है. This is a rumor. This is a rumor. क्या आपने खबर सुनी? Have you heard the news? Have you heard the news? खिड़कियां ठीक से बंद करें. Shut the windows properly. Shut the windows properly. फिर से विचार करना. Think again. Think again. वो बहुत अच्छा बोलता है. He speaks very well. He speaks very well. चलो इसे खोलते हैं. Let's open it up. Let's open it up. बाइक पर बैठो. Sit on the bike. Sit on the bike. सब निकल गए हैं. All have gone out. All have gone out. मुझे जाना होगा. I have to go. I have to go. ऐसा क्या खास है इसमें? What's so special in it? What's so special in it? उसके बारे में सोचना बंद करो. Stop thinking about her. Stop thinking about her. मैंने उसे एक नज़र में पहचान लिया. I recognized him at a glance. I recognized him at a glance. क्या तुम मेरे बारे में सोच रहे थे? Were you thinking about me? Were you thinking about me? आप बहुत सारे प्रश्न पूछते हैं. You ask too many questions.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.